Welcome back to Tagg Towers. It's the main section. This is now the 8th time I've done this because it keeps going wrong, but it's all for a good cause. Main section, you might want 2 of these and fill them with water if you want some light weights. You might have light weights, that's okay. But we're going to do a little routine, minute on each exercise. We're going to start with walking because you may have cooled down since the warm-up. Make sure you've warmed up. Let's go. Okay, so we're warming up. Nice relaxed shoulders. I'll just check my watch. Okay, so we're walking on the spot. Remember, listen to that breathing. If it comes really fast, if you can't talk, you're probably working too fast. So we can work more slowly with a smaller range. And then if you're feeling okay, we can start to pick it up a little bit. But listening to that breathing all the time. Nice relaxed shoulders. Now, first thing we're going to go into, a little bit of aerobic work, something to get those large muscles working repetitively, and knee lifts. So try not to bang those feet down. I've got to be really careful because this floor's quite loud. You'll know that I'm banging them down. Good. So we can go a little bit faster if we want to work harder. We can also take that rotation in the chest and the spine, but keep those knees in front of the hips, or we can slow it down a little bit. Just use this as building gradually to the more challenging bits. You're looking good. Let's see. So another 10 seconds and we're going to walk it out for 10 before going into the next exercise. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's walk it out. Now, thing we're going to do next is side step. So look what's around you before you start stepping. So it can be smaller steps, it can be slower. We can make it more high energy. Now let's just check I'm not going to. Good. So, again, listen to that breathing. You're looking brilliant, guys. So I'm going to check my watch. Another 30 seconds to go. Timing's always a bit dodgy, really, though, isn't it? But you'll be used to that. If I got it right, you wouldn't think it's normal. Now listen to that breathing. Is it coming too fast? Maybe slow it down. Good. Okay. We're going to go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Now, a little bit of strength work for the calf muscles. Let's make sure you can hear me. I've got something I can hold on to if I need to balance. Up and down. So we're lifting those heels off the floor. If I roll those trousers up a little bit. Good. Now you can use those water bottles. Mine are on the bed. Draw that tummy button in. Tuck that bottom under. Watch, we're not doing that. That's just a pelvic thrust. Okay, it's quite common. So we want to really make those calf muscles work. Good. I'm watching you. Excellent. So we can add this little bicep curl. Really open out those fingers. Excellent. Or we can just focus on the calf muscles. Up. Pause at the top if you like. Up. Good. All right. Up and down. Good. 3, 2, 1. And we're just going to walk it out again. We're going to walk it out again. So we're going to go back to those knee lifts. This time we're going to add some punching arms. Are you ready? So if we can, we're going to take an opposite arm punch. Good. If it gets too much, take the arms out. Brilliant. We're going to take a minute. So you're listening to your breathing. If you can't talk, oh, perfect. Bit of rocky music just to make the punching more real somehow. We can add a double arm punch if you want to work a little bit harder. Notice we're not jumping because any jumps is going to be high impact, might impact badly on knees and hips. Obviously, if you want to, I'm not going to stop you, but I don't advise it. This should be enough. Good. We've got 10 seconds left of this. If it gets too much, take the arms out or make it one arm a time. We're going to go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to walk it out. What's coming next? Okay, as you know, no workout is complete without some upright rows. So we've got our weights. Did I film them? Did I not? We're going to squeeze those shoulder blades together. Now we're going to keep the feet moving just to stop that blood pressure rising. So we're using the big muscles of the legs. Good. So that's why the weights aren't too heavy. Nice light weights, squeezing those shoulder blades together. Now let's see if we can take those arms just to shoulder level, no higher. We don't want to impinge that shoulder joint. Good. There's a softness in the elbows. Lovely. Now let's see if we can do one of each. We're going to go upright row. Good. That's great. Upright row. Keep breathing. I've forgotten to check the time, so I'm just going to do as many as I feel is right. So remember, we're working the shoulders as the arms come out into that lateral raise, upper back, biceps as we do this one. Good. Okay, one more of each. Lovely. Now we're going to bring those weights down. We're going to walk it out. All right, now what's coming next? Oh, the dog's coming next. No workout complete without the dog. Brilliant. Hello, Sam Tagg. Now we're squeezing the heels towards the bottom. So again, we can go faster if we want to work harder. We can add arm movement, that little pulsing movement. You can pulse, you can bicep curl, whatever you want. Good. Keep that chest lifted. Nice controlled breathing. Good work. All right, yet again. I think we've got about 20 seconds to go. That's it. So, good work, Sam. All right, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sam's going to help me do some squats, aren't you, Sam? So I've got this chair, bed here, just in case. So I'm going to just go down, push up through my heels. So if you want to see my feet hip width apart, we're going down and up. In fact, I could use this handy blanket box here. Down. You don't have to have anything at all. We can just squat normally. Good. Down. Keep those knees in line with that big toe and really squeeze that bottom, lift that chest at the end. We tend to do a bit of this. Okay, let's really work those muscles, full range. But again, if the knees are hurting, we don't have to go so far. Just go to your range. And this is going to help us with stairs, hills, in and out of chairs. And if we want to make it a little bit harder, we can take the arms here. I could even use my blanket box here. Have visions then of me like missing. Good. And we can also do sit to stand if you prefer that. So we're coming from the sitting position. Lovely. Let's do 3 more. And 2. Good. And 1. Let's go. Now let's think, what have I forgotten? Nothing. So we're going to walk on the spot for a minute. And then we're going to take a punch. Punch down. Forwards. Down. Forwards. Down. Forwards. Down. Forwards. Down. Okay. We're just going to keep punching for another 20 seconds. Then we're going to walk it out. We're going to slow it down. Ah, here he comes. Okay. That is his cuddly toy. Used to be mine, used to be the boys, but obviously everything in this house is Sam's. Good. Keep punching. All right, we're going to relax those arms. We're just going to walk it out, tap it out. Thank you, Sam. Keep tapping. All right. So, while we're walking it out, guys, that's 10 minutes. If you want to work a little bit harder, you can repeat that again. All right, and then make sure you do the cool down. So I'm gonna sign out. Shemai, Hoilvar, and I shall see you next time for the cool down.